जब एक सोल्जर होता है ही इज ऑलवेज मेंटली टफ. मुझे ये जानना है सर, हाउ डज दैट टफनेस कम इनटू अ सोल्जर्स ब्लड? हाउ डज इट गेट्स इनटू हिम? Hello everyone. Today we are having a warrior from Satara. His name is Colonel Sambhaji Patil. Welcome sir. How are you?
Thank you. I'm absolutely fighting fit.
Yes, sir. Great. So my straight away first question will be कि उरी मूवी का एक फेमस डायलॉग था, बलिदान परम धर्म. सुनने में बहुत आसान लगता है. डेफिनेटली व्हेन यू आर ऑन द बॉर्डर और वेर यू आर इन सच सिचुएशन, इट इज़ डेफिनेटली अ डिफिकल्ट पार्ट फॉर यू. बट वी हैव ऑलवेज सीन जब एक सोल्जर होता है ही इज़ ऑलवेज मेंटली टफ. मुझे ये जानना है सर, हाउ डज दैट toughness come into a soldier's blood? How does it gets into him?
Since I belong to the Maratha regiment, I am Maratha officer. In our center, a raw Jawan comes from Satara Sangli, Kolhapur, Ahmednagar. He's a raw boy. Now, how he is motivated? First and foremost thing, poor Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki jai.
Yes.
That itself is a chabi.
Yes.
From place A to B, when the recruits are being trained, they have to move from the weapon training area to PT area to classroom. While marching on that road, they have to sing this particular Maratha song, Bharata Amitula Dev Manato.
Yes.
Ratri मला उठवलं, who are you? I'll say I'm Colonel Sambhaji Patil from Marathas.
Yes.
That is here.
That is there in your mind.
Not mine. For Janta.
Yes.
So that is how. So he is not worried कि मुझे क्या होने वाला है.
Yes.
I am छत्रपति का बंदा.
Sir, and like during your trainings, is it taught to you या फिर वो ऐसे ही नहीं, जैसे आप अभी आपने बोला कि वो यहीं पे बस गया है, तो how does that quality gets into you, sir?
Young chap's mind is very fickle mind.
Yes.
It's like कुंभाराचं मडकं असतं ना. So how you give the shape in the training, they give you so much toughening. What is that toughening? Physically fit, mentally alert.
Yes.
The chap who is physically fit, in crisis of command, he will never give a wrong order. That is what is being taught on that ground.
Yes.
They make you run. They ask you cross the river. They will leave it in the jungle. They'll ask you to catch the snake.
Oh.
Scale it up, cook it, and distribute and eat it.
Oh my God. Snake.
Cobra.
And what's the purpose behind that?
You courage.
Oh.
Chap who is गड़बड़ वाला, वो कोबरा बोलने से भाग जाएगा.
Yes.
Here you have to catch that cobra.
Catch it.
Catch it like this, cut it, and this portion, peel off, टुकड़ा बनाओ.
Oh my God.
Fry, or everyone has to eat that.
Oh my God, you have done it, sir. So one more ritual I have heard about, breaking the glass and eating it. Is it true?
Yeah, it's
Like what exactly happens in that?
everybody can't do that,
Yes.
but certain chaps they do it. Just have a cup it. It has got.
So it is not compulsory. Okay. I thought it was compulsory to do it. Okay, sir.
This is compulsory to catch the cobra.
Catch a cobra.
That training is being done at when I have done the commando course.
Yes.
It was at Mau, next to Indore.
Okay.
Now it is at Belgaum.
Okay.
Young officers course. 6 months they have undergo that.
So when you you were a part of 22 Light Maratha Regiment.
22 Maratha Light.
Maratha Light Regiment, I'm sorry. So when you took your team to the war, और जब आप posted हो रहे थे, that time your war cry was छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय, and that maybe वो एक लाइन बोलने से ही सबके रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते थे, and that sentence itself gives you so much of energy to fight. और one more thing, जब भी हम शब्द सुनते हैं मिलिट्री या फिर सोल्जर, दिमाग में एक डायरेक्टली करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्ड आ जाता है डिसिप्लिन. And discipline obviously gets equal to punishment. Unless you give punishment, you cannot be disciplined.
No, you're wrong.
Yes, sir.
Discipline has got the connotation of ingredients of all leadership quality.
Yes, definitely.
Belongingness.
Yes.
Brotherhood.
Yes.
Your bravery. Everything is
connected to that.
So discipline in the force is very, very important.
Yes.